Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to report a shift issue in Instawork, helping you address problems quickly and keep your work experience smooth. First, open the Instawork app and log in if you haven't already. Next, tap on the menu icon or your profile icon. Then go to the Shifts or My Shifts section where your upcoming and past shifts are listed. Find the specific shift with the issue you want to report. Tap on it to open the shift details. Look for the Report an Issue button or option within the Shift Details page. Tap Report an Issue, then choose the type of problem you are experiencing, such as a no-show, safety concern, or payment problem. You may be asked to provide additional details or notes to explain the issue clearly. Once you fill out the necessary information, submit the report. The Instawork support team will review your report and get back to you if needed. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.